Hey guys, Megan here. So for the past 2 months, I've been breaking down this tank with plans to just store it for whatever future shiny object that's aquatic comes my way. And I was really excited to get this space back so that I could put plants in it. But then I found the IKEA Greenhouse Club on Reddit. Do you know this? You probably do, because it's not a big secret, but a lot of people will take IKEA cabinets and turn them into greenhouses. Unfortunately, I don't have an IKEA around me. That was one of the big cons of moving to upstate New York. So if I want to get a cabinet, then I'd have to have it shipped, which means that I should probably buy more to justify the shipping. So it just becomes a whole thing. So rather than impulse buying something new right now, I decided, why don't we actually take this and turn this into a little mini greenhouse. I mean, we've got the glass, we've got the light with the full spectrum, got the lid. I have everything here that I need. It's watertight. We should be good to go. So for the past 2 months, like I said, I've been breaking this down. I could have broken it down sooner, but I wanted to make sure that all the shrimp fry and ramshorn snails were safely transported and transferred into another tank. So it's been a while. Consequently, it's not a really great looking tank right now, but I was breaking it down, so it doesn't really matter. So I figured I'd walk you through this process of how I'm gonna break this down and convert it into a greenhouse. Now, this is gonna take a couple of days because I'm still recovering from my E. coli infection, or I don't know, I got E. coli and it's not been great. And also it's raining, so it's gonna take me a couple days to fully break this down. But let me stop talking, finish draining this, and turn this into a greenhouse. Let's go. Okay, home stretch. We are almost done. Just got to get some of this old scale off. What that usually requires is vinegar. You can try glass cleaner, but it's not as effective. So what we need to do is just do this. Essentially, it needs to soak. I could use baking powder, I guess, to speed this up a little bit, but I forgot to bring it from upstairs. So what I'm gonna do is just pour it on there, let it soak in and stink up my studio for about 15 minutes. Okay, now that it officially smells like an Easter egg dyeing party in my studio, I think we're good to go. I'll just clean up. You know, it's awesome having open cuts on your hand while playing with vinegar. Oh, brutal. Okay, you know what? I'm gonna call it an audible here and say that's good enough. Now I'm just gonna spritz it super fast with some spray cleaner. Okay, so most of these lids will come with an optional plastic edging that you can add to the back of this. It's meant to reduce evaporation, but it's still able to be cut so that you can leave like a little gap for any kind of tubing or plugs or anything like that. I got rid of that a long time ago. I don't have that anymore. So I'm going to use the next best thing, packing tape. And I could just leave it open, but I know I'm gonna have plants in here that are pretty humidity loving, I guess that's the phrase. So I wanna make sure that I do right by them, but it is. And look, there's already a cat hair. Doesn't take much. Okay. Let's put it on and assemble the greenhouse. Actually, looks like I could do another layer back here of tape. All right. Now, this scene would be where I added Leco balls down here to induce more humidity, but I ran out. So just pretend that it's here. Okay, tools. And I will link to these in the description. Close enough. Light. Voila. And oh, it seems to be on a timer too. Okay. Now, let's get some plants. My mint monstera deliciosa. It's ready to come out. Look how cute. Fill it up more, but I think you get the point. Voila. Thanks for watching.